What's going on, guys? How are we today? So as you can see, we're not in the command center. We're not in my studio right now. We are driving down the road. I am on my way to go meet a guy. Check this out, right? I found a pair of headlights to a 2000, to a year 2000 Mustang. Both the left and the right headlight, and they were in the box still. I don't know. I guess somebody upgraded their headlights or something, and they didn't want them, and they just threw them out. Well, anyway, I found them, so I decided to list them, and now I'm gonna sell them for 30 bucks. So I'm gonna go meet a guy right now and go get this money because we need that. But basically, what this is I wanted to give you guys a little update on the bike. I literally, guys, keep running into problems left and right. Nothing but problems. Either, the bolt barely fits, or the bracket doesn't fit, or the damn clutch lever that they gave me doesn't fit over the handlebars. But that's alright, because look at this, guys. I got some parts. This and this. Look, see? I got some parts in the mail. I ordered them from Amazon, so got that over there, and then this thing, that's real heavy. I'm not sure what's in that, but I'm going to open it, and I kind of know what's in it already. I hope. I tell you what, I'm waiting on a lot of crap to come from Wish. If you guys order from Wish.com, be prepared to wait at least a month to 2 months for your items to arrive. That's if they do arrive, because I've ordered some things and they ain't even arrived yet. So we're going to do an unboxing right here in the truck at the red light. So we're just going to rip that open like that. Got that, another box. I ordered a chain ripper, 2 actually, because I'm dealing with 2 separate sizes. Now, why would they send me a chain when all I ordered were links to a chain? That's odd. I don't know why they would. Oh, look, there's little parts to it right there. But this is for my bike, so I can shorten it and lengthen it and do all that good stuff with it. But that wasn't what I was expecting. I was thinking that I was just going to get a couple links and maybe a few master links, This is the chain ripper, probably. See, the reason why, guys, I had to get green light. The reason why, guys, I had to get 2 separate chain cutters was because the actual bicycle chain is really thin and small, versus the motor chain, which is a 415 gauge or a 415 size, and it's a heavy duty chain. Like, the chain ripper that goes for your bicycle isn't the same size that's going to go for the actual chain on the motor. So I had to order, that's right, 2 of them. So let's go ahead and get this one right here opened up, and let's see what's inside. Oh, got a couple of things. Oh, that's it. That's all. All right. So the first thing, see, look, this is a clutch lever. Remember how I was saying the stock clutch lever that came with the kit? It's not big enough for my handlebars, so I had to go out and get a universal, as y'all can see, a universal clutch lever for the bike, or for a brake lever, either or, but I needed one. So here we go. There's that. This looks like the chain tool right here. This is awesome, guys. I mean, I don't recommend doing this. Don't do an unboxing while you're driving. It's not a good idea. All right, so here we go right there. This is the bicycle chain ripper. That's what this is. Basically, you lay the chain down inside those little grooves right there, and then you turn the handle, and what it does is it pushes the little pins out of the chain to allow you to make it bigger or smaller or whatever, but you got to have two separate sizes. So there's that one. What they do, include a keychain with it? That's funny. Put that over there. What is this, a card? Yeah, see, look, it's instructions on how to use the chain ripper, but I know how to use one, so I'm not too worried about it. Man, I appreciate you guys, tuning in and watching my videos, man. We're doing great, guys. We're up to 54 subscribers. I would love to get 100 subscribers. That would be an awesome dream, man. But, I'm not doing this to get subscribers. I'm doing this because I like it and it's fun. And, if I'm entertaining enough, then, watch me, right? Okay, so here we go. This is the heavy duty one, all right? This is the, I keep saying, I need to stop saying that. This is the chain ripper for the 415. This Goliath of a thing. Look at this thing. It's ridiculous, folks. It has two separate settings on it. One where you can make the actual bolt slide closer, and then this one right here makes the pin either get smaller or bigger. So you can increase the size and then increase the pin, or make the pin smaller, whichever you want. But this is a good one. It's made out of some type of heavy alloy. So yeah, this is what we need. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the box right here. This kit, man, I've watched so many people just buy these kits right out of the box. They get it in the mail, they open the kits, they open it, and they start taking all the stuff out of them. And they put the kit together like this, 1, 2, 3, bam. I think the reason why I am having such a problem with it is because I bought a hybrid bike. I bought a bike that's kind of between a beach cruiser and a, whatchadoodle. What do you call it? A mountain bike. That's it. A mountain bike. Yeah, a mountain bike. So, the mountain bike. I don't know.